What if you could turn this into reality just by typing a sentence? And Google just released Veo 3, an AI video generator that turns your imagination into cinematic quality videos, using nothing more than a simple prompt. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Veo 3, how to write better prompts, and how to get the most out of it, even if you're brand new to AI video tools. Oh, and best of all, you could use it for free for an entire month. Let's dive in. It understands things like camera movement, lighting, and composition, so the results feel polished and natural, far beyond most AI tools. But here's what really sets it apart. Veo 3 doesn't just generate video. It also adds audio automatically. It understands things like camera movement, lighting, and composition, so the results feel polished and natural, far beyond most AI tools. But here's what really sets it apart. Veo 3 doesn't just generate video. It also adds audio automatically. Like here in this example, I'm one with nature now. Nature would prefer some personal space that includes background music, ambient sound effects, and even voice narration if you wanted to speak specific lines of text. And honestly, it looks darn good. To use Veo 3, you need a paid plan. The good news, though, you can how to try Veo 3 for free. Try it for free for the first month, giving you a chance to see everything that Veo 3 is capable of. You can explore the available plans using the link right down below on the screen. Both plans include access to Veo 3. In addition to AI video generation, you also get access to things like Gemini in Gmail, Docs, and more. Plus you also get 2 terabytes of storage for your Google Photos, Drive, and email. All in all, it's a solid deal. And pretty much in line with what other companies are charging for their AI tools, once you've signed up for a plan. Head over to the address at the bottom of the screen and then sign in with your Google account. This drops us into the Gemini chat interface. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the prompt field along with a few different tools. Let's click on the one titled video, and that turns on Veo 3. From there, you could start typing in your prompt. Let's try one. A hyperrealistic 8K cinematic scene of a beautiful silver-haired anime warrior girl sitting alone on the edge of a high rooftop after completing a stealth infiltration mission in a futuristic cyberpunk city. Rain still falls gently as neon lights reflect off the soaked concrete around her. Her sleek armor is scratched and wet, her violet eyes glowing dimly as she gazes at the flickering city lights below. A faint plume of steam rises from nearby vents, casting soft shadows across her calm, worn face. She removes her visor slowly, revealing a subtle cut on her cheek. Breathing deeply, she closes her eyes as the distant hum of drones fades into a calming silence. Her sword rests beside her, dripping with rainwater. The camera captures her in a slow pan, with cinematic close-ups, reflections, and lens flares dancing in the mist. The moment is quiet, melancholic, and beautiful, a sharp contrast to the action before. Inspired by the emotional depth of anime like Ghost in the Shell and the visual mood of Blade Runner 2049. Once you're done entering in your prompt, in the bottom right, let's submit that. Google Veo 3 is generating your video. It could take 2 to 3 minutes to generate. Let's now watch how it turned out. Oh, overall, that's really impressive. It matches my prompt really closely. I'm really impressed. One cool feature of Veo 3 is how to add narration in your prompt so that it doesn't just generate video. It can also add narration. If you wanted to speak specific lines of text, just include that text in quotes as part of your prompt. Add narration in this prompt like she asked something about, like, she says, another mission, another shadow left behind. But how many more before I forget who I am? Was it justice I came for, or just survival? Once you enter that in as part of your prompt, let's submit that. Wait for few minutes. Let's preview how this turned out. History is being made.
Another mission. Another shadow. Another mission. Another shadow.
That voice really fits the downloading of your finished AI video part. Once you're satisfied with the way your video turned out, it's really easy to download. Simply hover over your video, and then in the top right-hand corner, you'll see this download icon. Simply click on that, and it'll download an MP4 file onto your computer. Thank you for watching, like, share, and subscribe my channel.